Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube चैनल हिंदी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूवर। डियर स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट वीडियो में हम सिंथेसिस चैप्टर के अंतर्गत कंपाउंड सेंटेंस की जो पहली एक्सरसाइज है उसको हम देखेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। Number 1. I am going to Delhi. I will stay there for a week. Compound होगा I am going to Delhi and I will stay there for a week. Number 2. Make haste, you will be late. Compound होगा make haste, otherwise you will be late. Number 3. Hate begets hate, love begets love. Compound होगा hate begets hate but love begets love अथवा hate begets hate and love begets love. नंबर 4 है प्रोफेसर गुप्ता was late, he missed the train. कंपाउंड होगा प्रोफेसर गुप्ता was late, so he missed the train. नंबर 5 he was wrong, he was punished. कंपाउंड होगा he was wrong, so he was punished. Number 6. It was stormy night. He ventured out. Compound होगा It was a stormy night, yet he ventured out. Number 7. He drew his sword. He rushed upon the enemy. Compound होगा He drew his sword and rushed upon the enemy. Number 8. Good boys work, bad boys make mischief. Compound होगा Good boys work, but bad boys make mischief. Number 9 है The speaker was very nervous, he therefore could not speak. Compound होगा The speaker was very nervous, so he could not speak. Number 10 He is the son of a mathematician, he is very sharp-minded boy. Compound होगा He is the son of a mathematician, so he is a sharp-minded boy. अगला है he is lazy, he scored good marks. Compound होगा he is lazy, yet he scored good marks. अगला है the girl played volleyball, the boys did not play. Compound होगा the girls played volleyball, but the boys did not play. अगला है if you lead, I shall follow. कंपाउंड होगा लीड मी एंड आई शैल फॉलो यू। अगला है ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ इलनेस आई कुड नॉट गो टू स्कूल। कंपाउंड होगा आई वॉज इल, सो आई कुड नॉट गो टू स्कूल। अगला है कम विथ मी स्टे एट होम। कंपाउंड होगा कम विथ मी और स्टे एट होम। अगला है he is innocent, he should be treated as such. कंपाउंड होगा he is innocent, so he should be treated as such. अगला है राम is wise, राम is gentle. कंपाउंड होगा राम is wise and he is gentle. अगला है he is intelligent, he is not proud. कंपाउंड होगा he is intelligent yet he is not proud. अगला है he grew very weak, he did not break the fast. कंपाउंड होगा he grew very fast but he did not break the fast. अगला है I met Mohan, he was a lecturer. कंपाउंड होगा I met Mohan who was a lecturer. अगला है द राजपूत्स वर विक्टोरियस, दे वर ब्रेव. कंपाउंड होगा द राजपूत्स वर ब्रेव, सो दे वर विक्टोरियस. अगला है आई विजिटेड दिल्ली, इट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. कंपाउंड होगा आई विजिटेड दिल्ली व्हिच इज द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. अगला है ही इज रिच, ही इज नॉट कंटेंटेड. कंपाउंड होगा ही इज रिच येट ही इज नॉट contented। अगला है I tried my best, I could not succeed। कंपाउंड होगा I tried my best but या yet I could not succeed। अगला है speak the truth, you will be respected by all। कंपाउंड होगा speak the truth and you will be respected by all। अगला है give me your money back, you will be shot dead। कंपाउंड होगा give me your money back, otherwise you will be shot dead। अगला है God is merciful, he feeds even the helpless। कंपाउंड होगा God is merciful, so he feeds even the helpless। अगला है everything decays, books survive। कंपाउंड होगा everything decays but अथवा while अथवा yet books survive। अगला होगा that animal may be a fish, it may be a serpent, it must be one of them। कंपाउंड होगा that animal may be a fish or a serpent। अगला है the brave face the challenge cowards flee। कंपाउंड होगा the brave face the challenge while cowards flee। अगला है सेठ गोविंद दास is rich, he is a miser। कंपाउंड होगा सेठ गोविंद दास is rich yet he is miser। अगला he saw the boy in the street, he stopped to speak to him, he gave him a book। कंपाउंड होगा he saw the boy in the street, so he stopped to speak to him and gave him a book। अगला है रहीम is intelligent, he is careless, his success is doubtful। कंपाउंड होगा रहीम is intelligent but careless, so his success is doubtful। अगला है I did not go to Delhi, my brother did not go। कंपाउंड होगा neither I nor my brother went to Delhi। अगला है I invited her to the party, she did not come। कंपाउंड होगा I invited her to the party but she did not come। ये थे एक्सरसाइज की कुछ महत्वपूर्ण सेंटेंस।